Save time and money by automatically generating reports with Albi. I was recently chatting to a customer and we discovered that our automatically generating reports are saving him roughly 10 hours a month, since the reports he was building by himself are actually automatically available for him in the system. Let's take a look at some of the key reports that might save you the most time. Our reporting is divided into 3 dashboards, all of which come standard with the Albi system. These reports give insight on everything across the business, from sales, like this sales by referral source dashboard, to productivity, where we'd have something like a project manager leaderboard. And lastly, even on the back end with your accounts receivable, we can see how long it's taking you to invoice, as well as how long it's taking you to get paid. Maybe you're struggling to know which information is the most valuable. Albi makes that part really easy. We provide the 40+ reports most requested by our customers, so you know which reports are most valuable for your business. Albi can also build customized reports for you, pulling data in not just from Albi, but from external data sets as well, like QuickBooks. Maybe you need a commission report with custom payouts that are unique to your business for your salespeople and your project managers. Albi has you covered. Albi lets our customers not only track and manage their active jobs, but gain valuable insight from past jobs to make data-driven decisions in their businesses. If you'd like to learn more about what Albi's reporting can do for you, give us a call. We'd be happy to chat.